Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this new CPAP machine. This is the new ResMed AirSense 11. So this is really dope. If you know, you know, this is the new ResMed CPAP machine. There's been a global shortage of CPAP machines because of recall and also just global shortage of parts. So I'm excited to get the AirSense 11. I used to have the AirSense 10 and was really glad to get this new model. Oops, sorry everyone for hitting the tripod. All right, here's what it looks like. So you see the holder already, but here's what it's like to unbox this new bad boy. Wow. So take this out. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna set this cardboard box aside. But check it out, check it out. AirSense 11 AutoSet. Wow. So first, the bag looks a lot more modern than the 10. More color, a little less dry container and case and all that. So you're gonna look way cooler going through the airport with this holder compared to the 10. All right, what you've all been waiting for. Wow. Yo, this is a cool unboxing experience. All right. This is really cool. I am impressed. So, machine setup videos. Wow. All right. More. Let's show you all more. Ooh, okay. Put this aside. Ooh, okay. So, brand new one comes with a humidifier chamber. Get your distilled water in this. Your new tubing, that's cool. But, power. Here, I'll take it out for you guys since this is an unboxing channel. Put this aside, don't want to open that yet. Humidifier chamber looks sleeker compared to the AirSense 10 that I used to have. So let me take this out. So we'll plug it into the device to show you all what it looks like. Okay, cool. I'm very excited. You guys don't know how excited I am for this. All right. Now the power. Oh, even the power brick is fresher, sleeker. 65 watts. Let's go. All right. I knew there was more. This just plugs into here like so. So nothing too special there. But what you all came to see. Oh, let's go. The Lamborghini of CPAP machines. The ResMed AirSense 11. Seriously, this is the Lamborghini of CPAP machines. Look how fresh it looks. RX only, guys. Don't self-treat yourself. Get checked out. If you snore or have a significant other or family member or loved one who snores like crazy, get them checked out at a sleep study. Have them do a sleep study to see if they have sleep apnea, because it will change your life when you get a CPAP machine if you do have sleep apnea. All right. Oh, cool. Recommended replacement schedule. And let me show you the assembled Lamborghini of CPAP machines. Look how sleek this bad boy is. This is dope. Huge power button, white and black, not just the dull black. This is modern day engineering at its finest. I am super impressed. Thank you, ResMed, for figuring out your supply chain issues and for getting me. SD card, what? Man, putting your SD card in here. Upgrade the firmware or something. But that's it. Hope you all enjoyed. This is really cool. Drop a comment in the video if you like your ResMed AirSense 11. And I'll chat with you all there. Thanks. Talk to you later. Sleep well. Bye.